Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Midea portable air conditioner suddenly shows an E4 error code and stops cooling the room properly, it can feel confusing, especially when the unit was working fine earlier. Sometimes the Midea portable air conditioner may continue running for a short time before the error appears, while in other situations the cooling stops immediately and the display keeps showing E4. This issue can happen because of temperature sensor problems, airflow interruptions, overheating, or temporary internal system glitches. Since a Midea portable air conditioner uses sensors to control cooling performance, even a small interruption can start an error code and affect normal operation. The good part is that many E4 error issues can be checked and resolved with a few simple steps before assuming there is a serious repair needed. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Midea portable air conditioner E4 error. Step 1. Turn off the Midea portable air conditioner and unplug the Midea portable air conditioner from power for a few minutes. Step 2. Clean the filter of the Midea portable air conditioner to help the Midea portable air conditioner airflow work correctly. Step 3. Check the exhaust hose of the Midea portable air conditioner and make sure the Midea portable air conditioner ventilation is not blocked. Step 4. Plug the Midea portable air conditioner back in and restart the Midea portable air conditioner to refresh the system. Step 5. Place the media portable air conditioner in an open area so the media portable air conditioner can avoid overheating. Step 6. Watch the media portable air conditioner display and confirm the media portable air conditioner E4 error no longer appears.